Let's look through another quadratic that we can use the quadratic formula with. The first thing that I want to do is put it in its standard form, 8x squared plus bx. So I have 2x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0. So my a equals 2, b equals -4, and c equals -1. Doing that, it's just plug and go. So negative x equals a negative b, which is a -4, plus or minus -4 squared minus 4 times a times b all over 2 times a. Just simply plugged in a for a, b for b, c for c. Now I'm going to reduce and simplify. Minus 4 is a 4, plus or minus -4 squared is a 16. Minus 4 times 2 gives me a positive 8, all over a 4. Four plus or minus root 24 over 4. I can reduce out root 24 into, that's a 6 times a 4 times a root 6. I broke it up that way because now I know that 4 plus or minus, that's a 2. Root 6 all over a 4. I can still reduce a little bit more. I can factor out a 2. So I have x equals a 2 times a 2 plus or minus a root 6 all over a 4. 2 and the 4 cancel each other or reduce each other. So I'm left with x equals 2 plus or minus root 6 all over 2. And there are my two solutions. My two solutions here are irrational, which tells me that I wasn't able to factor them using a factoring method. So the best method I had to me was using this quadratic formula that I could use to find those two solutions.